An incest person. Do you know about an incest person? What an incest person can do in this entire world, no one can do like an incest person. So that's why I call an incest person a unique person and different from the others. I am 100% sure that you must have heard about Elon Musk. Do you know about Elon Musk? Elon Musk is the person once he has become a poor, but he again reached from bottom to top. He tries to do something. What he wants to do, he is able to do that at the end. He tries first, he fails. He again tries, he again fails. He gives it a try one more again and he fails one more again. He tries a lot and he fails a lot, but at the end he reaches at the goal. He reaches his goal.